And temperatures did rise into the afternoon, so as that moisture moved towards Sudbury, you did see rain there, but it's still cold in the area through the overnight tonight. There are frost warnings in place. Geraldton, Kappes Casings included, Armstrong as well. But quite a morning for Chapleau, 1 centimeter on the ground. Geraldton, 4 centimeters, but it looked like from a lot of the video and pictures we've seen from today, they were localized heavier amounts with this event. Now, anywhere blue is cold, and that's certainly going to be the north tonight with those frost advisories in place. That blue line, that cold front, is swinging through, and it's dropping down our temperatures into the afternoon. Southern Ontario is seeing Thursday afternoon as the coldest day of the week, and then Friday morning there will be frost in areas like Kitchener, Waterloo, Guelph, even towards Milton and towards Peterborough, Kawartha Lakes, and maybe even Barrie. So it's going to be a chilly Friday morning. Look at Thursday. It's going to be 10, a mix of sun and cloud. Coming up, driving to be strolling, and we head into a morning tomorrow that will still be cold, but sunny. The sun is still with us for your Thursday morning and afternoon. Toronto, 10 degrees to start the day. London will be 8, Hamilton 9, Barrie will be 6. Northern Ontario, north of North Bay, around Thunder Bay, they have frost advisories in place, so it's going to be a chilly one there. But tomorrow afternoon is our coldest day of the week. Toronto coming in at 15 degrees, Kingston will be 13, Ottawa 11, St. Catharines 15, and Friday morning will be very cold. Well, cold for this time of year at least. We're going to be sitting at 6 degrees for Toronto, but around the outskirts of Toronto as we head north towards Vaughan or Markham or Barrie, we're going to see frost, and certainly we could see some frost around Kitchener, Waterloo Friday morning, as well as the Kawartha Lakes and Peterborough too. Now heading into the weekend, this does look like Saturday we'll start to see some showers late in the day. Saturday into Sunday wet. Between the two, it does look like Sunday will be a little bit more unsettled. Coming up, we'll take a look at the long-range forecast across eastern Canada, and also we'll look at the science behind the northern lights. Margot Morin is our Edmonton reporter, and with the preseason starting on Thursday, you might be looking for colder air to get into the spirit of hockey. Well, it's in Northern Ontario. Geraldton, frost advisory overnight, Wawa, Kappes Casing as well, and earlier today, snow on the ground, 4 centimeters in Geraldton. For Wawa, it was 3. Chapleau, 1 centimeter of snow. That did transition over to rain as it reached Sudbury. Now, Thursday morning in Toronto will be 10 degrees. Oshawa will be 10. Barrie, 6. Kitchener will be 7 degrees. But we do get some northerly winds pulling in, and this blue line, this cold front, is cooling down our temperature. So tomorrow afternoon will be the coldest day of the week. We're going to be sitting about 15 in Toronto. And then Thursday overnight into Friday, it's going to be a chilly one. You might even want to put on the heat in the car if you're driving around, because Friday morning we'll have frost around Kitchener, Waterloo, Milton, and east of Toronto towards Peterborough. So get ready for it. Coming up just ahead, Kim McDonald will take us around the world in 80 seconds. And temperatures did rise into the afternoon, so as that moisture moved towards Sudbury, you did see rain there. But no travel delays Thursday morning if you're going to be in southern Alberta. We'll have a warm start and a dry afternoon, but increasing cloud cover and showers overnight. As for BC, still going to be quite wet, especially on the north central coast. Coming up, a welcome relief for many people who commute in the area, and today commuting weather-wise was great. We had beautiful sunshine, but cold air is coming for us, and it's coming tomorrow afternoon. Look at all the blues in the north. Earlier today, places like Geraldton picked up 4 centimeters of snow. They have frost advisories in place for the overnight, and that blue line is sinking south, bringing in some cooler air. Now, our daytime high on Thursday is going to be the coldest day of the week, but really what we're looking at for Friday is when that cooler air is going to bring us some frost in outlying areas, even toward Kitchener, Waterloo, Milton, and also towards Peterborough and north near Barrie. So Thursday morning, 6 in Barrie, Toronto will be 10, Hamilton 9, London will be 8, and by the afternoon, it will be 15 degrees. Today, Toronto reached a high of 20, so we're dropping down by about 5 degrees, and we're going to see some northerly winds as well, so a bit fresher through the afternoon. Ottawa will be 11, and as we look at the long-range forecast, Guelph, Friday morning, put your jacket on. It's going to be 3 degrees, and we do have rain in the forecast Saturday night through to Sunday. Coming up, we'll take a look at your long-range forecast and look at the science behind northern lights.